Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can change the Safari browser's background. As you guys can see here, this is my official Safari browser app and I have changed or I have set my own photo in my Safaris. So how you can do that? So first of all, I'll show you. The process is very easy. Just pay attention for 1 minute. Just click on edit button here, but if you can't see edit button, just swipe up and you will see edit like this. Let me show you. Okay, so your Safari will looks like something this one. Just swipe up and you will see edit button here. Click on this one, and here you guys can see here if you want to have a really clean look of Safari browser, just turn all these options off, right? And here you guys can see here background image option is here I have set my own photo. There are multiple backgrounds given by Apple. You can also set them, or also I can click on plus icon, or I have to choose a photo which is all the way down. I'll choose a photo here, probably this one, and that's it. I have my own background at the back of my Safari. So this is the whole simple way I can do surfing in my Safari, but at the end in my home page I'll have my background image. So how's that? Do let me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Peace.